Thank you, Kamsa. Thank you, Nindu Siga Peba, the Tamal Kasushi. Thank you, Nindu the Nala, hanging on so. Thank Nachining and so young into Ni Sumching Nala to 2 or 2 Kikola Yapuchin Chick Shemba Chain, Tinga Nagi, Chutu Chick Chin, Chazan 2 Kikola Shere, Inia Dian hanging to go, Peshamunas Rat to Janashuni, Nia Tering Kadasam Shubaina, 2 Chidaning on to 2 present, past. Future lani sumla yewa chegirwa tin namlo le yan nangse lega ke chan lega khajwe chad dolini shila yewa chegirwa and so shona simple continuous perfect continuous lani thari ni ki thui sum ki lega khajwe chad do khari thigu dule thango simple lani chegyor tarwa thikula shigi an lingi so kisi thui ki kola thini ni dun jang du na Tari manjo simple present past and future kan share yi jema nyintu yongyu nyintu de juna la ani yang continuous to perfect continuous chini du chini manjo series de lesson logic so yi an hingi so kisi thiki ko la nyintu shibda jende na an ngasi channel thola muthine subscribe na mi shuru na share ra kisi subscribe na du ina ngen na kora ni subscribe na chajo manjo gilop sen din so yang de ta phenye na thamon ning thabani kadin che shugi ani la so tari nyintu go chugi Let's get them onto simple present, past, and future machine. Two Korangi Tunda Chinji to Shini in the right. They are about 2 letting on to Kaptu, Pagan Tusum Ginamsha, Lady Chedora, then on to Tusum Ginamsha Lawada, Tusum Layewa Cheshayo. Present, past, future, Tadawa, Depa Moumpalani. Ine and the Tuesday check putting get a shivo marda, tense nanola, Tusum Ginamsha nanola. The Tuesday de la Lega Karichido. 가져 치서도 야나 체심벌에 되래 줄와 내가 기콜래야 시고다 투당 내가 work your right time and work 니가 돕는 것도 투숨기 남샤 tense 차고더라 벤스나 to present 라 내가 디 남균이 치기 유에 레로 지레돼 야나 체심벌에 돼 야나 딱딱직 치돼 야나 직 딱딱이 치에 간데 무튼니 치데레레 레저로 티게 게자 시고도 투딩한서 가리래 이와 치기요래 Tujurchik nanglokurani present in a present korela present simple continuous perfect continuous past in a past simple continuous present continuous future perfect continuous and future lam maung pale kuran duschini yewa chini nganjo pa ring to tangiyor darwa digeni gi to da thuichik la lega khajwe chigiyore la dikecha di domni nganjo ki tense la di duschin chagiyor darwa la so tanganjo tense Jandu Sambola Yang Sheng Wei Zoji Career Shubaina helping verb. Chawe Tikdo, Yana Chatik Pewa, Chatik Ropa Chinge, Kandi Lamnayara, helping verb Yang Tu Susu Layang, helping verb Susu Yodara. Kisiling to the helping verb Susu Kidodan Kandi in Bachik Sidena, Nigi SMR has have was word like Tama, on the channel to Yorani I cut the link shawo, Nindung the gate. Joshi lengden bayina nganjo yigi mangbo chi thingi dwala dina nganjo description box le right dishe gave ki come to your right dina ngangi ki dindu susu ki link shawo lingi so gi nyinthun di je la sirona share right okay the present tu thata wala chawe chikto chatik phewa khari yorlena do dang does yana is mr yana has have past la khari yorlena do and does ki past tense la nganjo did len thire is mr your right Digi past tense la was the word thire has have ki past tense la had ren thire future ina pele lo will re mangcho will re shem an cham nganjo shall gi to dang lo yor ra ting anjo ta tharing ning anjo ki thu chidang ni ding la thu ki nyin tung chu chik chini nganjo channel to se ring ni de link shaura kisi chu chik changma hingi so ta nyo baina ni thari so Twitching na lega khaju chiore le jura thusum gi susu gi sudu sambola manchi channel to la de lesson di yendung shin na chili gre sum dura pije ani kisi lengi so manchi channel to la subscribe chi gi na ani tense thugi go la jande ne inject subscribe chi ni shura na share ra nang thanye manchi channel to yang do phenge na thangol ning thakban kadin che share ra la so Tadi manzo duschini chawache okay ta manzo thangbo de la simple present simple past simple future shegi in the right thing thamonya meni simple present sheche simple present to deba so mangcho manzo past tang future dursa de present takta ji sheboina dereni susu gi jar ni shedu symbol le hampe chherwa so ni simple present sheginda the present na time ga shena thadawa word level one shedu simple na namdi ni chede gyodo 체이 레로주라 체이 공시로 체이 namgyuni chedi gyonga chechai le jorwa ka chu chayumi marta chik indefinite ten chimewa ga chigi yu le jorwa that so simple present denga jo khaju thigla na habits gomshi shedi so khari namgyuni gomshi khari yana general facts chidangi sheja chidangi nichui roji kola shedu simple present piju chigre yang true in the present thata ngoyo kharredo thata la ra thi shedu nganjo simple present piju chigre la ra sedu simple continuous piju chingmare perfect piju chingmare perfect continuous piju chingmare la ra so tani gidi so ki perju shepaina chidani ta dus la shana simple present zo chu do stura ine nganjo ha ko gor nganjo channel thola joba ki rik khajo yore la ding thun chi yor right types of sentences lene thina la nganjo ki type su gi ne dus chini ma shi wa ina theng su le lel hawa chhel le sam swa that's what ta nganjo to be in the right subject v1 object v la du chatik chago verb chago right the sentence type khajo yore nganjo ki ding la nga shere ra affirmative la du namgyu ni yimba positive sentence joba namgyuni yimba le derwa negative la du sambola gakpa tue penchna nga khala sagi me mami min me tengyo ro inchina la no da not dige joba tini interrogative la na thiwa thiye gi joba tini double interrogative la du sambola jumse shegoya tadangi mutin ma shegi indro la so ta thamunya la affirmative namgyuni ge ja share khaptu share jorwa ti kante yorla na dino manju ki formula ta thidang khandi chito yorla na subject plus first form of verb plus object subject lana chepapo first form of verb chajik la manjo khandi share na chajik ki ngo sum share first form of verb chajik ki ngo thangbo nipa sumbala benediction na sawale de eat tena chajik ki ngo thangbo ate se chabala chajik ki ngo nipa ta chajik ki ngo sumba de gare sa chawaina se in la varajina ate chipuchina changma saimbe go chungmin도 알아 say in lashmado 저기 뭐 숨바 지도 다 백장만장에 perfect say in lash라 이 object로도 자율래라 또 율래도 마찬가지 간도 사자로지라 코도 요 차라차라로 시도 알아 근데 말에 object로도 율라가지고 수 noun 카리네 리시로 pronoun 카리네 리시르더라 오케이 다음 affirmative language I 나 drive 차직 내가 치워 drive 모다 땅마라 car object yul nye motor tangi subject verb object dikhare lana phegena ni chache le sumle de I drive car lana nye motor tangi ngarang ni komshi do jik shei do ara dinang khaju ta image jik shei ni do thende do ni badala he le de pronoun ra means ra ke works taling se something ra dela s kharish ni thogre le de di khandire ngaju ki subject noun di meaning ding ngaju ki plural mangchik songo na s ke pur ra chidame shimi la cat shimi chigle mangoina cats the verb ko mukhandiore chache ko mukhandiore la warajina chache la kisi s jar waina ko chik chawor samma chayo che tene manjo todan chi khandiore na minchik yorwa minchik di chik na kuigi chache de yan chik thigoyor so za minchik hi la na chigwa kuigi chache de chik thigoyor de word ki jabla s thiore ko words chik charwa singular noun singular word right okay he works in a school ko lobta chigla lega chigi yore ala di lobta ta chik le derwa khagi ba ha ku yo marwa china lega chigi yore ta ke ja joba de nganju ki negative mami min me mare le de ga shepa ina khandi shego yore subject ko yore chepapo do and does ta chhati roba chini helping verb chik ko yore not kakote ngo yore ani first form chati ki mo thambo thini yul go yor okay subject dikhare I nye ta do ya hingi soi dilla sira ta dinala ya s thimin do I di chik ro le jorwa I dam you ni jorwa ni ti khandi yor la na ye ku ni chik re khuni ki jablo la helping verb ki to da mangche o chik mangchi kam to tinga jo exceptional case mixe ki netang makeup to chik chagi yor da okay I do not much here che first form of verb chesiki ngo thangbo drive ra motor tangwa car nye motor tangi me chasa tangi affirmative joba khapto shidi I drive car thada nye motor tangi me lade do dam not ni jar dora I do not drive car ta khoi tangi he works in a school ko lobra shila lega chigi yore ta tanda ko lobra shila lega chigi yo mare negative so ra joba de he does not does the singular charra ko singular he does not teach in a school 그 롭다 실에 이길랍기 요 말에 okay interrogative that tiwa chidu kharichi go ran to tiwa jora hingi mang chiwa je kanti yorlana chazi roba chinge helping verb the subject ki nyon la lewer s plus v1 plus object de dwa ta ngan chazi roba chinge do and does de la chidwa de nyon la lewer do does plus s1 plus v1 plus object right do you the yan chik chik re khonyam da chatik roba chingi chatik phewa di manchi gi mangchi ka ji do la do you drive car and question mark chira moda tangi us does he teach in a school ke lobda chile igilap ki yorwe di kharre to interrogative di thiwa helping verb chikpo chingye la yo bai na ju thiwa de le sama yes no do jire dwara ta manchi di ne yo thiwa de ring ro ta mai na chik jumche share ro ta khe do jina ma ju ki double interrogative so double interrogative la khare wh family ki chik wh family la what where when how who which la jo tige chik kya pare jina ngon la ta di thiwa ki ngon na yang chik thewa tinde chik kya pare jina mention ngi do you drive car chara mora tangi yue la ngi yes no ro ti kang la kisi why khare chine ja paina why do you drive car why does he teach in a school chana mota khare chine tangi yue kyo lobda shna khare chine yigilap ki yore la paina manjo anta chumse she wor ke jama ring ro swara ti nganjo double interrogative thidare dus chine nganjo simple present ki phiju shidi okay phiju shi man phiju sum di kora joba so joba shile yewa chewaina dus chin tidan chagi yore ta nganjo simple past and simple future shini that's all in get nganjo simple past sigin the right simple past ti ya thangi simple present to tidang sum yo bache khadu thigo yorlana to express completed action in the past to debana la lega chego chigi kor le shape ina yang na to describe a series of action in the past to debana la lega chigi chala chig chin le so nganjo episode yo do jigan ke je shape ina simple past they need to express habits in the past to debana la so ki komshi khari yo ra nyama di chigi yo le chu ra thudu nganjo simple past phiju chi yo re la okay the thidang yang nganjo types of sentences joba so la khandi thigo yo la na affirmative thamu khapto she she chu ra thudu nganjo subject plus second form of verb plus object second form of verb chaji ki mo ni ba chu ra di thu deba din su re thu deba ki chik ra thu deba ki chik din su simple past ke affirmative sentences yo ra dina ma du shima phiju ro yo mare ta jo ki chik cho de tharin khare sentence so de I drive car ni motor ta yin le jo ra ta di past nang so ho na subject de I rang ra chaji mo ni ba drive tang wa ki tang chao ina drove ani motor la car I drove car ni motor ta yin tene he taught in a school ke taught la teach ki past tense ra object dikhare school he taught in a school ke lobda shile yin lab re le di affirmative chaswa tha di ni gi dingyen la moda ta yi ke dingyen la lobda le ke dingyen la lobda le yin lab re le di ni moda ta me ke yin lab yo mare la na khandi la re subject plus did ta thangi nganzo present kambola do dang does le ni chik chik mang chik ki khura chachik thidang khaga dwa do dang does ni gi past tense pe le ho yore did songza chepapo khandi chubai ne subject khandi chubai ne ra did rang dwer past tense na la ani subject plus did ani ka padungi dekharre not ani first form of verb tha din ling so sungsi ra de paina tha first form of verb dekhare chen chachigi mo thangbo present ga je dekhare chen theory le de hen so gi did le sigar helping verb chwa helping verb de nga jo thu khari im bala tengor thu de tense na chachik cho chura pension di helping verb ra did ani drive la dekhare chachik cho ra main verb di first form of rang la share ra sonza v1 rang ja share che tini object chhe ta jo khari chare I did not drive car nye motor tang miss he did not teach in a school taught la marta past tense ni thia yo mare darwa he did not teach in a school khelo ra sile gilap yo mares okay ta di thiwa khandi so re thiwa so di churang ja thamu subject plus v1 plus object share che di kinyon nang jo khare thigo re helping verb thanda past schedule jo khare thigo re did past tense do than does get did ra so did plus subject plus chati ki mo thamu plus object chail ta did you drive first form of verb drive car chirangi motor ta invest ani question mark did he teach in a school question mark kyegi lobda chile igilla breves okay thati double interrogative ta kyegi thiwa de khandi thiwa re interrogative did plus chabapo plus ani chachik and chayulyo ra digi nyon nga ju khari jar go re ta kyegi thiwa khari chine khawala khadu lejo ws word sunduna jik theche and did plus s1 plus v1 sorry s plus v1 plus object ra why khari chine did you drive car why did you drive car kerangi motor khari chine times when did you teach in a school kerangi lobda sigla khadu igila means ta ni thangi ni why lanti ra thangi simple na le so the why chipu marwa wh thiwa thegi chi what where when why how which thangma ra tiding anjo simple past ki chidang ro dus chinche tang anjo simple future chik taganda maungba ke lega chik che imba khaju chi me tende me jo ro chu ra ting anjo khadi future chi thangbo future fact thangbo maungpa la chungai yimba ro pencha china the sun will rise from the east tomorrow sangi nimashar nishar gire sangi shar gire future fact chuma chik chungai yimba ro chik dwara ngoy ke cha ro chik tini offering chik khye yo bala ro request bugishwa order chik ngai chu ro thindu sama khare future simple future thir the right tini prediction jama chik I will go to Delhi tomorrow chik jama chik join yin le chuang anzo tindi ngoy share ro chu ro tiding anzo khare chire simple future okay the simple future na thambo affirmative ke cha khaptu shedan de khanje yore formula s subject plus the future ki helping verb khare will dang shall ni khandi thigo yore na leng so le how chine la wala jina I nga we ngancho I dang we helping verb yuna thinyam to la shall thigo thina digiyore ani simple pronoun khandi la wala jina thing so will gemna tigre la de sambo I dang William dola William gaya yor de ba de digiyore ne shall mangcho chi I the will to gorda okay let's go the affirmative ina subject ko re helping verb yangna will yangna shall kurang manju gi subject khari le imbo tani tereni nan chik thigo yor thini first form of verb chachi ki mo thangbo thini object child that is mola thinking manju gi sentence to de khare I drive car amora tangi le dirwa the future na she ora china I shall first form of verb drive car I shall drive car ye gi jama tangi yin le dirwa ta he will he lana korwa konyam to will lirwa he will teach in a school kyon lobta chile gilap ki re maungba ta tinga jo negative jobadi gapana sowaina mami minme jarwa jina subject kore will shall helping verb chi gorwa ani ganjo jo negative suna khare kore not gorwa ani first form of verb cheti ki mo thangbo thine object I shall not drive car nya moto tangi mes thine he will not teach in a school kyolota chile gilap ki mares okay then in interrogative thiwa thia ina helping verb di will shall di subject ki nyon la gorwa will shall plus subject plus v1 plus object the subject plus v1 plus object dilenge chola chik nga le yo ro chik chado ro yo der cha go yor der la so the I nim the helping verb khari shall li ra shall di I ki nyon la to ra shall I drive car nga mota tanga will he teach in a school kyolota chile yilap ki rewe right the double interrogative thiwa ta kwe gumsen kwe gi thiwa ina sorry wh word what where when how who will khari na dirwa ani will shall chi goire having verb derani khari the draw wala jina subject plus v1 plus object tangi ye wh word der thamo where khawale chi do where shall I yo tang gang la having verb shall chirwa where shall I drive car nye mota khawala tangas when will he teach in a school kyolota chila ige khati lakure tiding anjo simple future gido ta la so ri ani thani dus chine anjo gi thangbo thui korang khari imba ra thui la du samula time che ku chime bache thui jo de lega khaju chharne anjo gi tense dus chin chabo yo ra thini helping verb so ta re thini anjo simple present simple past simple future dus chini chik ta re dinyam to anjo simple ki to dan chu ra tense na di chaware thui sum so la jama yungge de binyen du china na yang ye simple sorry past continuous present continuous future continuous che shimba ga dinde ro chik tangi gi playlist chik swe right like this one Today let's say mutine nyindung ligre thank you so ani kisi di stances for la shibda kendo yoina anza channel to subscribe chigi na subscribe na mi shuruna shera ani dinyam nyindung dos chini thawa yi kisi hingi so la tharing gi nyindung nyegi dos chin jeshi chapchu tene goma chwa khariyo ba yana nyegi nyone chik di norsung le do yona yana thokti khande do jo ba ina yana chitang ni hingi so la tense ko la thiwa khariyo ne comment ki section ra chen kyo ki de chen nang yin chik comment ro chi shwe ra la so ning ge thering ni do diran tam yi ma phing la hingi so ni ge Instagram thon la yang inde par ta ni thung ra yu ne phege thon ni inji ma ju ta la ba da jangai ki bizin chi ge re an hingi so ki Instagram follow nang gi yo ba ina ni ge handle de la shawra di chik sine follow nang de chuna follow na na shwe ra ani la so ta thering ni do diran tam yi ma phing la ta ma indra ni ge ni do ka shes de la shawo ma ju channel to la din ye phege thon inji khade gare ki kor la ni thung le me ro din re ro chik sine ma chu nyam de inji channel shuru na shwe ra la so ge